Made too much buttercream? Don't throw it away. I'm going to show you how to easily store it so you can reuse it for future cakes. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. So I always tell other bakers to save your scraps. Whether that's cake scraps or frosting, you can always reuse and repurpose this into other delicious desserts. So I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to store your frosting. These can either be stored in the refrigerator or the freezer. So the first way you can store your buttercream is by using an airtight container. I'm using my Pyrex here, but any container will work. What I love about this method is that it is a little bit more eco-friendly. You can reuse and wash them when you're done, and it's a little easier to scrape down your frosting and get all of it out. So the second option is to use a Ziploc bag. I like to use gallon-sized bags just because they are larger, and what you'll do is place your buttercream in and then flatten it out. And this is great if you have very little freezer space because you can kind of play Tetris and mold the bag in a way that will fit into your freezer. The only thing I don't like about this option is that it's a little bit more difficult to get all of your buttercream out. So those are 2 super easy ways to save your buttercream. Just make sure that whatever way you use, you label and date it just so you know when it was made. And if you have multiple buttercreams in there, you can know which one to use first. This method works both for refrigerator or freezer. Just make sure that when you want to use it again, you let it come to room temperature, and then you can beat it with your paddle attachment. So let me know in the comments below if you have another great idea or tip on how to store your buttercream. I'd love to know. Did you like this video? And make sure to click like, hit subscribe. Also, if you want to get a guide to my perfect Swiss meringue buttercream, make sure to grab the link below.